Hello everyone, if you're getting this error in Microsoft Store with the error code 0x80073CF3, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix that annoying error on your computer easily. First off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here run, and then you're going to write here app data, and then you're going to go into local, you're going to find Microsoft here, you're going to go into Windows apps, and here you want to make sure that you delete all of these folders that look like temp folders. So just delete all of them. And once you delete all of these folders, now what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that your region is set to the United States. So just come here, right click on your date and time, click adjust date and time, go into region here, make sure it is set to United States, and then go back and just click date and time, and then click sync now on here. And after you're done with the syncing, now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu again. You're going to write here run. Now you're going to write here wsreset.exe, press OK. And after you do all of that, now when you install any applications, you'll see that you won't get that error in Microsoft Store anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.